Shit's easy to me, dog. Alright, I found it, bro. What's good, bro? It's Sean Rivers, nigga. 09. About to kick a freestyle for y'all niggas, YouTube. All niggas around the world. Shout out to Tanner. Michael Bollinger. No, I'm joking, dog. Shout out to Tanner. All y'all, man. I forgot y'all names, dog. My bad. But here I go. Yo, check it. Your boy make you quit like chant text, then your man next. You just can't understand it. I'm too far gone on my grind like a skateboard, and I cut straight forward like blade sword. Throwing rockets like Gaylord, it's all day, Lord. You don't even understand my mental. Get played like instrumentals if you fuck with this real nigga. Quick to kill, nigga. Leave your body in the hills, get you popped like a pill, nigga. Whew. What can I say? I'm Illmatic, nigga, spitting all day. Make you walk away with nothing said, nothing done. I'm the type of nigga with work gets done. Damn, my mind froze, but I'm still throwing blows and I'm busting free throws. Game winners, all of us, game winners. All of us champs, vets, y'all just beginners. Get you played like a game console. You don't know what to do now. Hit you with the 1-2 now. Knock you down, you and your crew now. Damn, I'm sick. How many times has gone by? 2-3 minutes. I'm spitting on me fending bullets coming from the mind. Yes, I get you every time with my rhymes because they so divine. Damn. I'm pretty high right now, I ain't gonna lie right now. Hit you with a tech, watch your body lie down. It's off the head, dog. It's just crazy. Hold up, I got you.
So taking off the headset so look more realistic.
Yo, everything I spit is ballistical. You beating me is ballistical, not realistical. Lyrically or physical, what you wanna do? Bring your whole crew, we could get down to two-stepping. Hit you with the 1-2, boom, boom. To your dome, and your home niggas know coming from the dome. You don't wanna mess with this real nigga. Already heard about me, blow your wig like Bill, nigga. Oh. Get your hair blown like Bill on the real. I got skill beyond the real. What's the deal? Don't squeal like a pig, cause it's your rivers. Hide your kids. Hide under the bridge. Do what you do. Get to running, cause I'm running this shit and this is how it's done.